T-Mobile error code 733 indicates a payment verification failure, often linked to issues with 3D Secure or 3DS. 3D Secure is a security protocol that adds an extra layer of protection for online card transactions by requiring authentication through methods like one-time passwords, biometric scans, or app push notifications. The error commonly occurs during in-app purchases or bill payments when the 3DS process fails. Common causes include bank server timeouts, incorrect one-time passwords, or mismatches in device or browser data. Error 733 is more prevalent among users attempting international roaming, prepaid plan upgrades, or device financing through the T-Mobile app or website. Newer phones and plans are not as likely to see this issue arise. To fix T-Mobile error code 733, start by clearing the T-Mobile app's cache and cookies. Next, update your payment methods with current card details. Ensure 3D Secure is enabled on your bank's app. If these steps don't work, contact T-Mobile support for an account-specific reset. Disabling any VPN connections can also help. For users on older Android or iOS versions before 2023, update your operating system or device. If using a virtual card, try switching to a standard credit card. During high-traffic periods like Black Friday, the issue may resolve after a few attempts or by contacting support.